What's up friends? Kim here from LA Cars. Naghahanap ba kayo ng new look na crossover na very affordable and quality? Tara, let's check this 2021 Ford EcoSport Titanium EcoBoost automatic transmission. This EcoSport has only 11,000 original mileage. Talagang hindi siya masyadong gamit ng previous owner niya. Almost brand new condition, as in sobrang sariwa talaga. As you can see, naka-projector headlight na po yan. Makintab na makintab pa din po talaga. And since titanium po ito, may kasama na po siyang fog light. Tara, ikutin natin yung body niya. Tignan nyo naman po, sobrang kinis pa po talaga niyan. Halos walang mga gas-gas. No issues of accident. Definitely not bangga or